Hey everybody, my name is Robert. Thanks for coming to the channel. I am next to my 2002 Subaru WRX Impreza, or Impreza WRX I should say, aka Scooby-Doo. And I'm out here because I just got this car a few days ago and I want to make sure it's in the best condition it can be. So I've been doing some maintenance out there, and one of the main things I like to do is charging. I want to make sure the battery is good. So we're going to talk about the battery and what I'm doing to make sure the battery is in tip-top condition, and we'll be right back. Alright, so welcome back guys. I got 2002 Subaru Impreza WRX and I want to make sure the battery is as best condition as I can go. So what I did is earlier I checked the voltage. It was about 12.5 volts. Didn't really like it, so kind of low. So I went ahead and used my Odyssey battery charger here. Awesome charger. It works with regular wet batteries and AGM batteries, and it has different modes here. You've seen my other videos, but I've done it because during the pandemic we were home all the time. Needed to make sure it was charged up. So I got this guy. If you have any type of charger, trickle charger, multimeter, you gotta have something. Those are the tools you want to do to make sure your battery is good. So I was reading about 12.5 volts after charging. I'm getting a declining voltage, which is kind of weird, but I'm getting 1309, but it was at 13.5 earlier, but it seems to be stabilizing at 13.9. It's not dropping, so that's good. So we want a battery to be closest to 13 as possible while not running. We don't want anything running, because that way you have a good starter battery. See, it's dropping a little bit, so I think it's starting to fail. It is an older battery. It's over 4 years old. We're not at September 2021, and that's 717. So I think I need a new battery. But anyways, these are the things you need to have: multimeter, some kind of charger, and I didn't pull this open, but another thing you can do safely if you have the goggles and everything, you can pull it, put some distilled water if it's low. But I think I'm just gonna get a new battery because it's 4 years old, and you can see it's starting to go down. So just a quick video about something you should do as far as normal maintenance on any car, especially a new car, or I should say a new used car you pick up, and even a new car, because a new car could be sitting at the lot for a while and your battery could be low. So go ahead and make sure your battery's tip-top condition. I'll put the links in the description where you can get some of this equipment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Super quick video again. Peace out. Thanks for watching.